Hello and welcome. My name is Andrea and I'm a full-time eBay seller with my husband. Today we're going to show you how we do shipping for eBay. So you're going to get orders eventually and you're going to check and see on your screen what custom label you have. So for us we use a number system and all of our items are labeled properly. So today I've used my little whiteboard, take a look here, and I just wrote down all the numbers for the items that sold literally today, October 30th, 2019. Okay? So we're going to go over to our inventory section, and you may have seen our video where we did a quick tour of our eBay store. So this is basically the same setup. So let's go on over and grab some things. Alright, so first item I have is number 158. So I'm going to come over here, and we have about 30 items per bin. And so 158 should be down here. So instead of breaking my back, I usually just use the secondary bin, slide it over. Way more simple, less stress than 158, and it's all the way back here. Alright, so we sold some jeans. That's my first item. And I slide everything back, keep it organized. Next I have another item over here, 877. 877. It is below here. So I'm going to just slide this over. I'm not trying to kill my back here. 877 is right here front. Okay, so we sold some kind of hoodie here. I think it's American Eagle. Alright. And then number 935. So this is pretty easy if you have a number system here. Oh yeah, so the reason I'm doing this so quickly is because they're already numerically ordered, right? So this bin goes from 911 to 945. Started at 911, worked my way over, and this way. So I don't really have to like search really hard if you're wondering why I could find it so quickly. So 935 is back here. Field and Stream hoodie that we sold today. And then lastly, 1009. Which should be right over here. Very easy. So this doesn't take us that long since we've got the system down. 1009. Got another sweater here, I think. Alright. So once you've got all your items, you go over and we have our own shipping table we've actually set up with all of our supplies. Our paddeds, our mailers, our boxes, all of those things are set up so it's really quick and easy to just ship every day. Alright, so first thing we do is decide, is this over or under a pound? So I'm pretty sure all of these are over a pound, and they look like most of them, I can do by feel now, I can tell that most of these will fit in a padded envelope. So this is a flat rate envelope, and you get these through USPS. And so I'd end up putting each of these in their packaging. But one thing to note, okay, so how do we not mistake the wrong item and send it to the wrong person? Well, one, we write the ID number on the sticker, the ID number is on the tag, and then when my husband prints out those labels, they have the same SKU number. So we do this in bulk shipping, and so that number will match. And so what I do is I take my item, I take the tag off really quick, I place it in my packaging. Could be flat rate, could be a regular mailer, could be a box, whatever it may be. I do one at a time, that's really important. One at a time, and I put that tag right back on, and I leave it like this so I can just see it. So then as soon as I get those labels printed out, I can just check the number, grab the item, and slap the label on and throw it in a bag, and we're ready to go. Alright, same thing with this one. This is definitely a padded. And notice how I have everything right on hand. I'm not trying to go back and forth to my bulk inventory. If you want to just peek over there, all of our shipping materials are stored over there, but I always keep most of what I need on hand over here. So when I run out of something like paddeds, I can just run over there, grab a stack of them, keep them here, and I never really have to move. I'm just staying here, grabbing all my shipping supplies. Alright, so again, took the tag off, placed it in the envelope, seal it up, and then put the tag right back on. So one at a time, and we do that. So we've done this for, I think, like, what's the most we've had for shipping in one day, like over a long weekend? Like 30, 35 items? We've had to do like 35 items. It can get time consuming if you're not organized. So that number system really saves us some time. We have the links to our shipping supplies down below the video. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, if you want to know more about doing eBay full time. And thank you for watching.